Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix an Android phone won't charge when plugged in. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My phone is plugged into my computer but it won't charge. The status screen shows that it has about 1 hour and 25 minutes to fully charge, but after 30 minutes, the battery level does not change and it still shows 1 hour and 25 minutes to fully charge. What's going on? Why won't it charge? Is there anyone who can help me fix Android phone not charging when plugged in? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When Android phone is not charging when plugged in occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix an Android phone that won't charge when plugged in problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Charger problem. The solution is to try another charger. If your charger has been used for a long time, the aging of the charger may cause Android phone doesn't charge when plugged in. To rule out this possibility, try using another charger. If it still doesn't charge properly after changing to another charger, the problem may not be with the charger. Please continue to try the following methods. Cause 2. Power or socket problem. The solution is to check or change the socket and power supply. The power supply or socket that the charger is plugged into may be faulty. Although you have connected the charger normally, the problem of Android phone not charging while on charger may occur due to these faults. Therefore, try using another power supply or socket to see if the problem can be solved. If you charge your phone through the USB port on the computer, try to recharge it directly through the socket or mobile power supply. Cause 3. Android phone charging port problem. The solution is to check the phone charging port. If there is foreign matter or paper scraps in the charging port of your Android phone, it may be due to these factors that cause Android phone is not charging when it's plugged in. Of course, if the Android phone charging port is damaged, the power will not be transferred from the data cable to the phone. You can try blowing air into the charging port to remove dust or other foreign objects in the port. Finally, try to charge again to see if the problem is solved. Cause 4. Temporary malfunction. The solution is to restart the Android phone. When there is a temporary malfunction in the Android phone, this may affect the charging process, resulting in Android phone is plugged in but not charging. The best way to clear temporary malfunctions is to restart the Android phone, which will turn on and run the Android system and software again. Here are the steps to restart the Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then click the restart icon or button, and the Android phone will automatically restart to the home page. If the charging problem is caused by a temporary malfunction, restarting can help solve the Android phone battery won't charge when plugged in problem. Cause 5. Third-party application influence. The solution is to boot to safe mode. If the problem of can't charge Android phone after plugging it into charger appeared after downloading a third-party application, the source of the problem may be the third-party application. This app may be consuming all resources, causing the battery to stay at a certain number. If you want to confirm whether this is the problem, booting your Android phone into safe mode is the best way. Safe mode allows you to use your phone in its original interface without third-party apps. This means that any apps or downloads that may be affecting your phone can be isolated and prevented from causing problems, making it easier for you to identify the problem of your Android phone not charging. Next, join me in trying to boot your Android phone into safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power key and the volume up key until you see recovery mode. In the menu options, use the volume key and the power key to select safe mode. Your Android phone will then boot into safe mode. If the safe mode message is displayed at the bottom of the screen and the Android phone is able to charge normally in safe mode, it means that when I plug my phone into power it won't charge is caused by an app. To solve the problem of not charging, find the app that causes Android phone charger is plugged in but not charging and delete it. Once you are done, hold down the power key and tap restart to restart your phone back to normal mode. After the reboot is complete, check again to see if your Android phone is back to normal. Cause 6. Battery has reached the end of its life. The solution is to replace the battery. If your Android phone still won't charge after trying all the steps above, and your Android phone has been used for several years without replacing the battery may have reached the end of its life or has a problem. Then you may need to seek professional help. You can take your phone to the nearest official after-sales center and see what they recommend. If repairs are needed and the price of repairs is too high, you can consider buying a new phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone doesn't charge when you plug the cable in, Feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.